To remove the bottom cover, remove two 8mm screws and two 5mm screws. The two screws in the center will remain captive and stay in the bottom cover. Unscrew to loosen. Use the opener pick to pry the bottom cover free. Gently work your way all around the bottom cover and remove. Remove four 4mm screws. Use the tweezers to gently pull back the tape to reveal the battery cable. Gently pull back to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Reverse steps to replace. Remove four 4mm screws. Using the tweezers, gently pull back to unplug the speaker from the motherboard. Again, gently pull back to unplug the second speaker from the motherboard. Remove the cable from the guider path and remove the speaker. Reverse steps to replace. Remove one 3mm screw. Move the bracket. Then, using the tweezers, gently pull up to unplug the antenna cables. Peel back the protective tape and gently pull back to remove the Wi-Fi card. Reverse steps to replace. Remove four 4mm screws and one 3mm screw. Remove the metal bracket. Peel back the protective tape, flip the locking tab up, and pull back to remove the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Gently pull back to remove the daughterboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Reverse steps to replace. Remove 3 3mm screws. Flip open the locking tab and pull back to unplug the POGO cable from the motherboard. Gently remove. Reverse steps to replace. Remove 2 3mm screws. Remove the metal bracket. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking tab, and gently pull back to unplug the cable from the motherboard. Gently pull up to remove the cable. Reverse steps to replace. Remove 4 2mm screws and 3 4mm screws. Remove the metal bracket. Gently peel back the tape and then pull back to unplug the camera. Gently peel back the tape, flip open the locking tab, and pull back to unplug the Palmrest. Gently peel back the tape, flip open the locking tab, and pull back to unplug the touchpad. Peel back the tape, flip the locking tab up, and gently pull back to unplug the LCD cable. Lift up to remove the motherboard, taking care not to damage or bend the ports. Reverse steps to replace. Peel back the tape to reveal 3 screws. Remove 3 2mm screws. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking tab, and pull back to remove touchpad cable. Lift the palmrest and gently pop the touchpad free. Reverse steps to replace. Remove 4 4mm screws. Put the unit on its side and use opposing force to pry the hinges free. Gently insert the opener pick between the module and the back cover. Slowly work the pick around, prying the module free. Reverse steps to replace. Flip open the locking tab, and pull back to unplug cable. Using the opener pick, gently insert beneath the camera and pry loose from the adhesive tape, taking care not to snap or bend the camera. Reapply adhesive tape and reverse steps to replace. Remove 6 4mm screws and 2 2mm screws. Pull back to remove hinges. Reverse steps to replace. Peel off cable to remove.